right, what's good? What is good? Just wrapped up at the gym, heading home, and I'm gonna stop at the grocery store, get some food. Pretty chill night. So let's hit the road. Listen to this loud exhaust. Okay. Beautiful night, man. Can't complain. Just hit shoulders and arms at the gym today. Pretty good workout, good pump. And then hit the sauna after. So I know I've been saying that I'm gonna start posting my workouts, my splits and everything. And I'll get around to that, man. I will. Want to start sharing with you. I think every time I go to the gym I might as well just like post a screenshot of my whole workout, what I plan on doing. And it's kind of like a journal almost, you know. It's like I get to look back on videos and remember like what specifically I hit that day. But it's also good for anybody that's interested in, I guess, my workout and what I have to share. So I already know there's gonna be a lot of cops out right now. I need to get a radar detector. Ooh, look at that GTR right there. Oh shoot, that thing's clean. Sounds so good. But yeah, I need to get a radar detector because I want to have more fun with the car, you know? It's just the acceleration is so quick that it's like you can just get yourself into trouble pretty quickly, you know? I don't want to get myself into trouble, get any speeding tickets, reckless driving tickets, increase my premium on my insurance. Just not something I'm interested in doing, so. But I would like to have more fun driving around the city and not have to worry about a cop being around the corner and getting pulled over and everything. Within reason. Obviously drive safe and be careful out there. But shoot, if you got a car like this, man, you gotta rip it every now and then. But yeah, cute husky right there. Hope you had a good week, man. Worked hard, and I'll probably post this video, I think, on Sunday. So by that time, we'll be getting ready for a new week. I'll be getting ready for a new week at least of work. And yeah, it's just been so far so good. Pretty easy work week this week. And trying to stay motivated, stay focused on my day job, and not let myself get too excited with the thought of getting off work early, you know, jumping in the whip and whipping it around, having fun. You gotta stay motivated. Don't get lost in the sauce. It's easy to, for me sometimes, but that's life in general, man. Have your fun, but don't let it get in the way of your duties. If you got homework, do your homework, then have fun. If you got a 9-to-5, go to your 9-to-5, then have fun. You know, it's I work sort of in like a managerial space, and I coach people, and part of my job is like helping people stay motivated to do their job every day. And once you've been doing something for a long time, it's easy to get sort of, I guess, you lose your interest over time, I think. Sometimes. Not everybody, but that's just human nature. You do something for a long time, you start to lose interest in it over time, but it's good for you to go to a job and have security. Some people need that. Now, if you're an entrepreneur and you're doing your own thing, paving your own path, it doesn't apply to you, obviously, but for those of us that do work a 9-to-5, that do go to school, that are still in school and getting a degree or getting a high school diploma, whatever, stay motivated. Don't lose that. Don't lose track of your goal here. But on a Friday night, man, kick your feet up, relax, have some fun. Jesus. Have some fun and let loose, you know, within reason. Me, myself, you get some dinner materials, ingredients, I should say, and go home, relax with the lady, hang out. Once she goes to bed, I'll be playing video games with my boys, probably drink a couple brews, hang out in the Discord with my homies, and yeah, that's what a good time is for me on the weekends. I'm pretty chill. I don't really go out much. Don't really party. I'm a homebody for sure. And I've had my time in college when I was younger. I think we all did, if you're my age. But get that out of your system and then enjoy a good night at home in the safety of your home. That's what I like, so. Anyways, man. Yeah, let's have a good weekend. Or by the time you listen to this, probably it will be Sunday. So I hope you had a good weekend. And again, man, stay motivated to go crush your Monday. It's all about starting the week on a positive note. Build the momentum quickly, early on, and cruise through the week. Time will fly that way. You'll be able to get back to your life and have more fun. Enjoy your time off of work or out of school. And that's what life's all about, man. staying motivated to do your rightful duty of going and working and supporting for yourself so that you can ultimately live the life that you want one day and break free from the system. That's my goal. I'm rambling. I'm gonna go get some quesadillas. Quesadilla materials, quesadilla ingredients. And we're gonna whip up some food here before it gets too late. So that's all for me, brother. I appreciate you for watching, as always. And yeah, have a great day, great evening, great night, whatever time it is that you're listening. And I will see you in the next video. As always, drive safe. Peace.